Why should you use the Foxwell NT301? Car scanners, they've come a long way. In the old days, you'd plug the gizmo into your vehicle's OBD2 port, let it do its thing, then you'd have to connect to a PC to finally see the results. That's not exactly convenient now, is it? Today, scanners have their own screens. That means you can instantly find out what caused the check engine light to come on, and determine whether or not you can fix it on your own or take that expensive trip to the auto shop. Other features of the Foxwell NT301 include graphing live data, SHRTFT, short-term fuel trim bank, data logging, record PIDs for later use to help you diagnose intermittent driving performance problems, which cannot be determined by any other means. DTC Help provides repair help for codes detected and verifies fixes for common problems. IM Readiness. One press to check if your car is ready for smog test. And you can print your data. The Foxwell NT301 CodeReader. You deserve to have one for your vehicle.